Hi Asad, this is Biplavi speaking and this is my daily checklist video. Today I work at 9 in the morning, also check my Rentec channel and beta team also, and clean my inbox, and then I go to my schedule work. At first I check out my BA tax management and I check it over here, and then I go to my regular schedule work. Today it was Frontier also, because there are many products remain. Today I am research on Frontier, and I got some product and also set on my site, so please check it, and also work on my KGG. In the morning I finished my ad, and I conversation with one, and today maybe you said that you give me the password and detail about transportation. I am looking forward to your response. So this is my today's daily work actually. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.